Hey, what's up everyone, this is Jeff, and this thing right here might change the way you use your gears forever. iFootage is kind enough to send me two of these quick release systems together with a T-A7 tripod and also a mini shark slider. But again, I'm not paid to say anything, so my review is unbiased and genuine. So this quick release system released by iFootage is really very thoughtful and creative. I haven't seen anything quite like this before, and the first time I put it on, I was very certain that this is gonna stay on all of my setups. And I think this is what switching camera setups was supposed to be. You know how frustrating it is when you want to switch your setup very quickly, but then you choose not to? Think to yourself, in order to switch to a slider, you have to first take off the fluid head and then put on the slider and then put on the fluid head again while putting your camera in the mud. Then what did you do? You just give in, didn't you? Knowing that with a slider it's gonna look 100% better, but then you ended up shooting with a tripod, maybe with some focus racking. And I think with this iFootage quick release system, this ends today. Because I can switch from a tripod to a slider in perhaps 5 seconds with just one hand. Alright, watch. And then you are ready to go. Maybe it's a little exaggerating with say 5 seconds, but you know, it's really quick. This is what switching setups is supposed to be. It's supposed to be quick, and your gear is supposed to help you, not against you. This is a very small device, but it makes a huge difference. A huge difference. Alright, that's all for today. If you like my video, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. This is Jeff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.